Hello there, today we'll be learning about simplifying fractions. Simplifying fraction is a process of reducing a fraction to its simplest form. Now this is done by finding the greatest common factor of the numerator and the denominator and dividing both by the greatest common factor. For example, let's simplify the fraction 6 over 10. To bring this fraction to its simplest form, let's first list the factors of 6, which are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Similarly, we'll list the factors of 10, which are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Now the greatest common number these two numbers share is 2, which means we can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2, right? So if we divide the numerator by the greatest common factor, we get 6 divided by 2, which is equal 3. And if we divide the denominator by the greatest common factor, we get 10 divided by 2, which is equals 5. Now to write the simplified fraction, we take the result of the division of numerator and the denominator by the greatest common factor and write it as a fraction. So the simplified fraction of 6 over 10 would be 3 over 5. I hope it is a bit clear now. Well, don't worry if you didn't get it. Let's take another example to understand this better. Let's simplify the fraction 20 over 8. To simplify this fraction, we'll list the factors of 20 and 8. So factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 10, and 20. Then we list the factors of 8, which are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Now the greatest number that these two numbers share is 4. So if we divide the numerator by the greatest common factor, we get 5. And if we divide the denominator by GCF, we get 2. In the last, we write the result of the division of the numerator and the denominator by the greatest common factor as a simplified fraction. So the simplified fraction of 20 over 8 would be 5 over 2. So I hope you understood the concept of simplifying fractions. I hope you understand the concept of simplifying fractions. Now that you know how to simplify fractions, I have some problems for you to test your understanding on. The first one is 12 over 18. Then we have 16 over 24. Third one is 28 over 42. And the last one is 30 over 45. Now apply the steps one by one that we have learned to simplify fractions. Give it a go and let me know your answers in the comments below. So that was all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and take care.